Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And syempre, don't forget to follow si Perception of Light po, ha? And yeah, sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, yan. Kay Kuya Dingsi naman tayo. Oo, magme-message. And again, yeah, don't forget to follow. Okay? So, yun po, ha? Thank you. Okay. And, yeah, pagdating naman sa ating mga evil eye items, okay, the all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay, ito po yung may initial na inilalagay. Okay, kasi this is ano po talagang handmade. Oo, handmade, no? Okay, so, hihingian kayo ng initial ni admin kung anong gusto nyong ipalagay na letter. Okay, usually, yung name po at surname nung magmamay-ari ang inilalagay ko. Pinapalagay ko, no? And, yeah, this is adjustable. Okay po, and available in red and black strings. Okay, ito pong, yeah, kung makikita nyo, may lima dyang kulay ng evil eye. May kanya-kanya po yan, ha? Oo, na role sa pagpuprotekta, no, sa energy nyo. Okay, so, ito naman ang ating isa pang bracelet. This is unisex po, ha? Itong ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Ganito rin po siya. Okay, so this is unisex. Ito naman po is garterized. And yeah, yun lang ang meron sa kanya. Pareho lang din naman kung anong meron dito. Okay? Okay, so evil eye ring. So non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable po yung ring natin. Okay, so yeah, no need to send pa kung ano ang size ng inyong ring finger. Okay, so ang ating evil eye necklace, ayan, ganyan po siya, ha. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender dito. Okay, so para na-adjust po yung length ng chain. Okay, pero yeah, anyway, kung meron kayong mga ginagamit na sarili ninyong mga chain, so pwede naman yun, transfer nyo lang yung pendant. Okay, so again, dito naman tayo sa ating granter. Okay, so matatanggap nyo si granter necklace nyo sa ganitong packaging. Okay, so non-tarnish, again, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long po yung chain ni granter. Okay, this is unisex po, ha. So, makikita nyo, yung pendant, parang may glass, no? This is acrylic po, no? Sa likod rin. Okay? Yeah, okay. So, si granter is made to order. Merong nag-send kaninang morning ng kanyang feedback and ang nice. Oo, hindi ko pa na ipopost. Oo, maybe later or kapag hindi na busy si admin, sabihin ko i-post niya. Isinend ko kaninang morning. Ang nice. Yeah, okay. Agad-agad. Yes, oo. Ang kakayanan kasi talaga nito ni granter is hindi kabigyan ng downtime. Okay? Kung deserve mo talaga yung hinihingi mo, yung wini-wish mo. Oo. Bakit pa natin bibigyan ng downtime kung pwede naman talagang ibigay na? No? Oo. 'Di ba? So, again, sa mga gusto pang magtanong, may mga kung ano pang katanungan, message na lang po kayo, ha, para entertain kayo ni admin. Okay? Magre-reply naman si admin. Don't worry. Okay, so maging pasensyoso at pasensyosa lamang po, ha, dahil iisa lamang po ang ating admin. Okay, kayo ay libo. Libo-libo. Okay. Okay. So let's start air signs. Your reading, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction for air signs. Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Oh, ay nako, buena mano. Three of Swords. What's with that? Okay, what's with that? The Justice. Oh, this is nice though. Okay, so Three of Swords and the Justice. Okay, merong mga makikipag-ayos. Yes, some of you, this is a past person. Okay, some of you, sabihin nating energy ng friend mo na nakaaway mo, pwedeng mag-reach out. Okay? Pero I think this is a past person, oh. May lover sa likod. Okay? Yeah, matagal na nagkaroon ng separation. Yes. Okay. Yung iba naman, kung hindi man ito pag-reach out, kasi hindi ko naman kinlarify si Justice, may chance na in general, maging okay na yung sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. Okay? So, gusto nyo i-clarify kung anong meron sa Justice? Okay. Let's see. Ano bang meron dito sa Justice? What's their intention? Strength. So, yeah, merong i-fix, merong mag-e-effort dito. Actually. Okay? Yeah, about reconciliation na hindi pa nagaganap. Yes. Okay. What else for air signs? Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, may mga bibilihing pricey, mamahalin. Okay? What's with that? Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, the Eight of, oh no. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you air signs ha, yung pamemera ninyo is depende sa effort. Depende sa gawa. Depende sa sipag. Yan po ang nakukuha ko ha. Okay, yung pamemera nyo po is depende sa kung anong effort ang inia-apply nyo. Okay, so, some of you, may chance rito ng, meron ditong may mga mawawala ng work actually. Yeah. Tingnan natin bakit. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, bakit? Temperance. Oh, yes. The Eight of Wands in reverse. There's delay. May mga sabihin nating magbabawas. May mga magbabawas. Okay? Ng manpower, mga ganon. Yeah. Some of you, kailangan yung maging, tawag dyan, matipid. Okay? Marunong magbalanse, dapat. Hindi yung lahat-lahat, todo bigay. No? Oo. Okay? Yung mga hindi kailangan, wag mo nang bigyang pansin, wag mo nang bilihin. Ganun po, ha? Okay? So, yeah. Some of you, you need to be more patient pagdating sa pamemera. Okay? Kailangan nyo maging pasensyosa sa mga, lalo na dyan sa mga nag-uumpisa po, ha? Sa mga nagbi-business, yan. Andyan talaga failure every time sa una. Okay? So, what else? Air signs. The Five of Wands in reversed. What's that? Five of Wands in reversed. The King of Wands. Okay, there's a fire sign, no? Na parang gusto niyang, parang something like sex, no? Yun lang ang gusto. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Pero this is Sagittarius, okay? Anyway, let's see what's with the Five of Wands in reversed. Some of you, they want control over you. Meron ditong fire sign na gusto siya yung gagawan mo ng action, siya yung gagawan mo ng pabor, mga ganyan. And yes, parang sitting pretty lang siya, no? Na naghihintay sa mga action mo. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Wands. Meron kayong parang fire sign dito na parang binibigyan mo ng maraming atensyon. Okay? May chance na magamit ka nitong taong to, ha? Okay? Kasi, yeah, tawag dyan, magagamit niya yung sitwasyon eh. Yung pagkakataon na parang ginugusto mo siya, ini-effortan mo siya, mga ganyan. Okay? Kung hindi man to connection, pwedeng boss, someone na pwedeng kayang kumontrol. Okay po? So, be careful. Okay. So, yeah. Next is Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. So, anong message for you? Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Anong meron? Messages, energy check-ins, and prediction. The Nine of Swords in reverse. So, may mga sitwasyong pwedeng sabihin nating malilesen yung stress, malilesen yung pag-iisip. Okay? Some of you, there's an air sign na pwedeng hindi ka na masyadong iniisip. Okay? Ooh. Okay. The Eight of Wands. Aha. Some of them, ito this is a big air sign placement. Okay. So, ang nakuha ko dito, meron ditong someone, specifically an air sign, na talagang ayaw na ayaw ka nang aalala. Bakit? Feeling kasi nila hindi sila makausad. Yes, sa totoo lang, they feel stuck sa'yo. Ayaw na nila nito. Masyado na silang nahihirapan. See? A lot of delays ang nangyayari sa taong to, fire signs. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng gusto ring makakuha ng something like kasagutan para makausad rin sila. Yes, gusto nila ng kasagutan. Gusto nila ng kalinawan. Yeah, kaya may Nine of Swords dito na naka-reversed. Yeah, kaso nga lang parang hindi na ibibigay. Yes, they want to move forward. They want na may mangyaring pagbabago na sa buhay nila. Pero bakit ganun? Hindi nangyayari. So maybe some of you, meron kang kailangan bigyan ng closure, or maybe this person talagang kailangan kanyang bigyan ng closure, mga ganyan. Like usapan, clarity, mga ganyan. Okay? May mga tulong na pwedeng dumating, lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan. Yung parang feeling mo wala na akong pagkukunan, pero hindi nyo aasahan may darating. The Nine of Cups is here. Okay? Yeah. It's like unexpected. Okay? Some of you, there's like unexpected money na pwedeng dumating. Claim it. Okay? What else for fire signs? The Knight of Cups. Okay, what's with the Knight of Cups? Someone is interested pagdating sa'yo. Pwedeng water sign. Oh no. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Someone is obsessed. Some of you, this is a past person. Okay? They still stuck. They still not moving on, mga ganyan. They're not healed. By the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. The Queen of Wands, yeah. They still like you. They still attracted pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, they want to talk. They want to take action. Pero they don't know how. Maybe they feel intimidated by you. Ganyan ba? Oo. Okay, anyway. What else for fire signs? Okay, the Two of Wands in reversed. May mga desisyon na gagawin. Okay, may mga pagtanggap na gagawin. Ano tong Two of Wands in reversed? Justice in reverse. Oh no. No. Okay. Hindi nyo kailangan na I'm saying this justice in reverse na pwedeng something na hindi fair. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan tanggapin yung isang bagay na hindi naman patas. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan magsakripisyo dito. Fire sign. Kung ano man to. Okay? Kung may mga ganyan, talikuran nyo. Hindi nyo deserve na mag-sacrifice. Okay? Magtiis. Kung ano man. Okay? Don't settle for less. Yan ang mga naririnig ko. Okay, fire signs, don't settle for less. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Okay? You deserve something like, sabihin natin, mas maganda. Okay? Huwag kayo magsasettle sa, ay, okay, sige, sige, tatanggapin ko na lang to kasi wala eh. Don't. Huwag nyo i-claim na wala eh. Okay? Kapag kinlaim yung ganun, sinabi nyo, okay, sige, wala eh. Ibig sabihin, the word present tense, no? Parang, ayun na yun mismo. Yun na yun talaga. You're manifesting kasi sa pagsasalita ng mga ganun. Okay? So, yeah, mas maganda na, ay, hindi na muna, oo, meron pang darating yan, oo, mga ganun. Okay? So, ibaguhin nyo, oo, yung mindset ninyo, baguhin nyo kung ano man, para magkaroon ng balanse. Okay? Kasi, may mga tao talagang gagamitin, yung mga, sabihin nating mga dahilan ninyo, mga weaknesses ninyo, para kumagat kayo. Okay? So, there. Next. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Yeah. Water signs. Messages, energy check-ins, and prediction for water signs, please. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. The Two of Wands in reversed. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. May mga hindi inaasahang tulong na pwedeng dumating. Okay. May mga babalik. May mga makikipag-ayos. Fire sign. Earth sign. Okay. Financial support or financial help. May naririnig din akong ganyan. Okay. The Sun in reversed. What's with that? What's with the Sun in reversed? The Three of Wands. Let's see. Ano tong Sun in reverse? Some of you, you're expecting, no? Magkaroon ng, sabihin nating, trying to conceive. Mga ganyan. To be pregnant. Parang ganyan. Pero bakit ganon? Why the Sun in reversed? Knight of Cups. Some of you, meron kayong sitwasyon dito ha. There's a third party. Okay? Like, meron ditong nagpapaasa. Okay? Always giving you breadcrumb. Breadcrumb. Yeah, there's a situation na merong conflict. Okay? There's conflicts here na kailangan mag-end na yung cycle. Yung iba rito, talagang kahit hindi mo sure ang mangyayari sa inyo, handa kang maghintay. Parang ganyan. For a Leo, fire sign. Okay, hanggat meron kang nakikita na kaunti na dahilan para mag-stay, mag-i-stay ka eh. Yes. Okay? Some of you, pinapaasa ka. Pinapaasa ka lang. Ginagamit ka. Okay? Anyway. What else? The Seven of Cups in reversed. Someone is lonely, waiting for you. Okay. Parang pakanta eh, no? Seven of Cups in reversed. Yeah. The Ace of Cups. You have this emotion for someone. Okay. Some of you, you need to focus on yourself first. You need to focus more on healing. Some of you. Okay. Yeah. Maalis ang drama, maalis ang problem, kung ano man. What's with this Seven of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. Kulang sa self-love yung iba rito. Okay? Kulang. Huwag kayong maging madamot, ha? Pagdating sa sarili. Huwag kayong maging harsh. No? Okay? Pagdating sa sarili nyo. Yeah. Hindi masama na unahin minsan yung sarili. Water signs. Okay? Hindi krimen, oo. Ang pagtanggi paminsan-minsan. Okay? So, there. Okay. Someone is expecting a new beginning with you. Earth sign, fire sign. Yeah. Okay? So, there. Next. Earth signs. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. So, anong message? Anong mensahe? Energy check-ins, gabay, prediction for Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anong message, please? Okay. The world in reversed. There's delay in general. What's with that? World in reversed. Yeah, there's delay. Some of you may chance ng mabagal ang progress or walang progress sa mga ginagawa. Some of you, pwedeng business to. Okay? Why? Why the world in reversed? Ooh, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Ito ito. May mga kailangan kayong i-avoid. Something na nagbibigay ng bad energies. Okay? Like, negative energies pagdating sa mga sitwasyon, lalo na sa pamemera. Earth signs, ha? May mga nakaka-apekto kasi okay, sa pamemera mo, kaya hindi nagkakaroon ng improvement or sabihin natin parang nagkakaroon ng pagbaba, nagkakaroon ng delay, parang ganyan. Yung iba sa inyo, yes, meron ditong mga third party. Kaya ang nangyayari is, sabihin natin hindi nakakapag-focus sa mga dapat pagfokusan. Okay? Pinagpo-fokusan is yung hindi dapat. So, nawawala ng kwenta yung mga importante na dapat binibigyang atensyon. Okay? So, yun po ha. May mga, sabihin natin yes. Pagdating naman sa workplace, may mga taong sabihin natin gagawan ka ng istorya para hindi ka umangat. Andyan yung mga may galit sa'yo. Andyan yung mga parang may inggit sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. Huwag ka nang pa-apekto. Hanggat maaari. Yeah. Okay, kilala mo naman sarili mo. Yeah. What else? Okay, the Ace of Swords. Wow. What's with the Ace of Swords? Okay, so some of you may chance ng meron ditong masasagot. Okay, may mga masasagot dito. Mabibigyan ng kalinawan. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng this is an opportunity. Okay? Promotion, mga ganyan. Some of you, this is closure, mga ganyan. Okay? May mga pipirmahan para may mai-release. Yeah, something like that. Okay? So, there is like an offer coming, and ang nakukuha ko rito this is something na hindi mo inaasahan. Okay? Hindi mo to inaasahan. Yeah, the Hermit. Iba sa inyo, nakakuha ko ng energy rito na ikakasal. Okay? So, what else? Yung iba naman, may chance na magkaroon ng online connection with someone. Okay. The King of Wands. Some of you, you're expecting a message from a fire sign and pwedeng makuha mo yun. King of Wands, please. The Hierophant in reverse. Oh no. What's with the Hierophant? There is a non-committal here. A fire sign, a Cancerian. What's with this? Or hindi lang talaga sure or sincere sa'yo. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. It's like bahala na, parang ganyan. Okay? May mga ibibigay na commitments, no? Sa iba sa inyo. I don't know kung i-grab mo to. Some of you may chance na i-grab. Okay? Magte-take risk. kahit hindi alamang pwedeng mangyari, parang okay, susubukan ko lang to. Yes. Mas maganda yun eh. Yung sinusubukan kaysa hindi. Okay? Mhm. Don't rush things. Oo, wag niyong mamadalian kung ano man to. May mga pagmamadali na mangyayari, iwasan nyo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo ha, nakakuha ko ng energy na pwedeng ah, may paglago in the near future, may paglago ng sobrang bilis and marami ang mabibiter. Hindi ko alam bakit. Marami ang mabibiter. So siguro sa mga chance na pwedeng dumating na igagrab ninyo, na kahit hindi nyo alam ang pwedeng mangyari, may paglago eh. And napaka bilis no ng pag-angat na pwedeng mangyari. And tawag dyan, magre-result no ng may mga magagalit, may mga mabibiter sa'yo. Okay? So there. Uh-huh. Yung iba naman, sabihin natin pwedeng may chance ng, ang tawag dyan, kung ikaw itong parang nakaka-move on na from a past person, some of them hindi pa. So, lalo silang parang mabibiter. Okay? So, there. Yeah, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.